Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to restart your iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. So do you know this? What we need to do is we have two methods, and the first thing for most one is on the mobile. You have to use the city, and you have to command city to do this. So let me give the command to the city. Hello city, I have to connect to the internet. So I'm just turning on my mobile data. Hello city, please restart my iPhone. So they're gonna ask you this particular question, and you have to go for it and restart. So let it. Your iPhone will be completely restarted. Now, as you can see, we have successfully restarted. And there is also one more method, which is using the assistive touch. So to do this, you have to go over here in the settings. Now from here, you have to navigate to the accessibility. And from here, just scroll down under the physical and mobile, there is an option called touch. Select this one. And as you can see, the assistive touch is turn off. So you have to knock on this one and you have to turn this on. And right now, afterwards, you can see the assistive touch is enabled. So we just need to go back and down over here. Now go to the control center. Sorry, not to tap on this one. Go to the device, go into mode, and there is an option called restart, and you can tap on this one and you can go for the restart. So let your iPhone will be restarted. And this is what you have to do. So these are the possible steps you can try out to do a restart. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and see you soon in the next video. Bye.